Kevin.
Yeah?
I didn't believe you how bad this was until I started driving it.
It's bad, isn't it?
You'll see my reaction.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, I was literally like, holy crap, I'm not going straight.
He really sucks at backing up.
She probably doesn't do it often. I do it every day.
Yeah. Okay, so today we are doing the exhaust battle against the Raptor with the new Corsa exhaust and then the F250 with the 5-inch straight pipe. It's gonna be pretty interesting.
So Kevin and I actually traded cars today.
Oh yeah, we're actually so the Raptor, as y'all know,
Plus
is
a little cash. You know, he's giving me Puff, and I'm giving him the Miata, and he's giving me a little bit of cash on top because Miata's worth more.
As you guys know, the Raptor is not mine, so due to this point, I can't just let Josh drive it. So
Yeah.
Josh is actually going to drive my truck, and this will be the longest you've ever driven it. It's already warm too, so you can get on it and all that.
Yeah.
I warmed it up while I was so.
Yeah.
How's it feel? It pulls to the right really bad. Kevin, I see what you're saying.
I'm filming on my phone right now, but that truck looks mean behind us. I never get to see my truck behind me like that.
Look at this. I'm trying to go straight. Kevin, how do you do this?
It looks good. Way to pat myself on the back, but whatever. And the Raptor sounds so good with the new Corsa exhaust.
It's honestly scary. Holy crap.
Josh just sped up and got behind me. That is intimidating. Now I know how everyone else feels. And I see how out of line my bumper is. It's really bad. I need to fix that.
Kevin, this truck doesn't drive straight. I know I'm far away from that, but like, this is horrible. I didn't truly believe how bad it was until now. Wow.
Come on, it can't be that bad.
Nate, I don't think you understand. Do you see how much I'm moving this steering wheel? His alignment is so whack. And his steering box is like awful. God awful. You see how much I'm all over this road?
Yeah.
I don't like flooring it because this steering sucks. And the brakes suck. This is scary, but I'm getting used to it. I see why he doesn't like taking this truck on trips now. I really do. He hates driving at long distances, and now I see why. You guys want to see something? The truck isn't moving. It's not turning at all. God, this is scary. Choo-choo noises. I got it to roll a lot of coal right now. But it rolled a lot of coal. Last time I was in here, I was in the Miata. This is a completely different experience. Ow. The suspension is absolutely terrible. Yeah, we did a burnout on this road before there doing the chow because it's so much fun. Kevin.
Yeah?
I didn't believe you how bad this was until I started driving it.
It's bad, isn't it?
You'll see my reaction.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, I was literally like, holy crap, I'm not going straight. Like, this truck doesn't drive straight.
Oh, I know. I could see you in the rearview mirror. You're just going like this.
Yes, because it doesn't drive straight.
Thanks, Nate. How did it feel, the power?
I mean, it's fun. I kept chowing.
I know, I can hear you keep chowing.
And I got to roll coal a few times.
Yeah. The response and the speed, though, what was that like?
It felt good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here, go ahead and get out.
All right.
Leave it running. So, idle test, puff is already definitely louder. So if we stand right here, I mean, I can hear the Raptor, but I can mainly hear puff. So idle test, puff already wins. Josh, you were rolling coal a lot.
Yeah, I know. I was like, dude, I'm gonna roll coal. Yeah. You know, give him a smoke show.
Dude, seeing this thing on the road, I've never really got to see it like that.
It looks good, right?
It looks really good.
Yeah.
It looks really good. Okay, so first thing we'll do is kind of like the light rev. What would you guys say won that one?
Well, that one's louder.
Yeah.
This one cracks.
That's true. Sound, how good it sounds.
I don't know. I still like diesel.
I mean, I like diesel more, but those pops.
The pumps do sound really good.
Now, hey, at full throttle, I think that one's gonna sound better. But loud-wise, which one won?
Puff.
Puff. Okay, so
when Nate went to record, he sat right here, and I was like, hey, "You're gonna get black soot all in your face."
So now we're gonna give it a little bit more throttle, pretty much full throttle. This is gonna be an obvious win. Decibel wise, Puff pretty much just smacked the Raptor on every single test. Would y'all agree?
Yeah.
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 Okay. So now we're gonna try full throttle on the road.
Your truck's a pain in the ass.
You know you loved it though.
Yeah, it was fun. Like one of the kids when I drove by was like, "I love your truck," and I was like, "Thanks." The fact that you're willing to take your phone out while driving is god tier, and the fact that you can drive that all the way to like the Orlando or the Keys, nonetheless. Holy crap!
You see why I want to fix my steering so bad and fix the suspension so bad?
Yeah, going over those little brick crosswalks.
Oh, it's horrible, isn't it?
I was like, holy crap. But it was cool being higher than like other lifted trucks.
Yeah. This is a test of what it's like to drive full throttle, like with the bridge. And then we'll do the same thing in Puff after this.
I'm doing a complete stop and go.
now we're gonna go take Puff to that same exact loud bridge and do the same exact test. It's definitely gonna be louder. Josh, where are you going?
I'm getting a drink.
Not even close.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
this-
Puff.
no competition.
Puff won that. It's so loud.
It's so loud.
So loud.
So loud.
So loud.
So loud.
So loud.
It's so loud.
So loud.
It's so loud.
It is so loud. So loud.
So loud.
So freaking loud.
So loud.
It's just so loud.
That's just so loud.
Nate! It is so loud! Some small chows for you. Alright guys, so now we know which one's louder. I think that's gonna be it. This is gonna be kind of a short video, but that's okay, just because it's kind of an extra video. Ralph, stop acting so crazy. So, with that being said, thanks for stopping in the channel. Go subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm out. I don't think he likes me. Hey, Ralphie. Hey, Ralphie. Okay.